Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope you are enjoying our videos. So in this particular playlist we will be discussing the most important MCQ questions which are important for your BTech ASTU papers, also your diploma papers, okay? And other than that it will be very important for other competitive examinations conducted by APSC through their direct recruitment like public health engineering, water resource engineering, lecturer civil in polytechnics and irrigation civil engineering. Okay, so we have divided the questions into different parts. In this particular part 1 we will be discussing 10 number of questions. Okay, we have taken the questions from previous year papers of BTech, diploma as well as the APSC direct recruitment examinations also. So do watch our video, subscribe to our channel. I hope you will like this video series by us. So keep watching till the end. Thank you. So let us start with our first question. The first question. So our first question is the Reynolds number for a pipe flow is given by. We know Reynolds number, formula of Reynolds number is rho u d upon mu, where rho is the density of fluid, mu is the velocity of the fluid, d is the diameter of the fluid and mu is the dynamic viscosity. ठीक है सर. So कोनটো ऑप्शन दिया আছে vd by v not correct, vd mu by del not correct, rho vd by mu, this will be our answer. Also aru eta kotha soa, Reynolds number is the ratio of kitiaba hudi dibo pare, it is the ratio of inertia forces to the viscous forces. So we will try in a single question, we will make some other questions also so that it is helpful for you. Okay, so the next question is flow in a pipe is laminar if the Reynolds number is, we know Reynolds number less than 2000 hole flow to ki hoy laminar hoy jabo. So our correct option will be what, less than 2000. Okay, aru 2000 to 4000 or মাজত থাকিলে কি হবো, flow to transitional flow হবো. Aru jodi Reynolds number greater than 4000 hoy, then the flow will be turbulent. So this might also come in your examination next paper. Next question. Laminar sublayer is a thin layer, is a thin boundary layer formed just adjacent to the boundary in. ठीक है sir. So let us first draw the boundary layer. We know, say this is our smooth thin plate which is stationary plate আমি এখন consider কৰো. ঠিক আছে, and through which a real fluid is flowing with a free stream velocity u. U to ki hoy free stream velocity asile. ঠিক আছে, and this edge was known as the ki boli koisilo ami leading edge and this edge was the trailing edge. Aru boundary layer to keneke form hoy, starting from this position it will grow, the boundary layer will grow, then since the velocity is also increasing there will be transitional flow and finally it will be turbulent region. So designate kori diu ami region kita. ठीक है sir. This part will be what, this part will be laminar, this part will be transitional, and from here it will be turbulent part. Now ama khudise ki, ama khudise laminar sublayer, laminar sublayer, this is laminar zone. Laminar sublayer will be formed in this part. This is the laminar sublayer, this is the thickness of the laminar sublayer denoted as del dash. ठीक है sir. Laminar sublayer is a region which is very close to the solid boundary, and exist in the kuntu region exist koribo, turbulent region exist koribo. ठीक है sir, where the fluid behavior will be laminar. যদিও turbulent region আছে, that fluid particles will behave as in laminar. ঠিক আছে, but the region will be in turbulent. So the correct answer would be ki hobo correct answer? The correct answer will be turbulent flow. Next question. If the specific speed of a turbine is more than 300, the type of turbine is. We know what? We know specific speed of formula ki asile ns equals to ns is specific speed n into root over p divided by h to the power 5 by 4, where p is the speed of the turbine, p is the power output of the turbine, and h is the head of the turbine. Now specific speed ki hai? Specific speed is the speed of a turbine which is similar to the original turbine to be used. ठीक है सर. Similarity की respect और रही वो shape और respect और similar होगा, geometrical dimension और respect और होगा similar, आरु blade angles. ठीक है सर. But this turbine will be working under a head of 1 meter and will be generating a power of 1 kilowatt. ठीक है सर. This is the condition for specific speed. It will be working under a head of 1 meter and it will be generating a power of 1 kilowatt. ठीक है सर. So specific speed is used to designate or classify turbines. ठीक है सर. It is a number which will classify the type of turbine. ठीक है सर. Now let us see the chart. A chart खनत सुआ. These are the values of specific speed in SI. ठीक है सर. 8.5 to 3 होले की होगा Pelton wheel with single jet. 30 to 51 होले की होगा Pelton wheel with 2 or more jets. Then 51 to 225 it will be Francis turbine, and 225 to 860 it will be Kaplan turbine. So our value ki diya ase greater than 300. So our turbine will be what? So our question ki diya ase if the specific speed of a turbine is more than 300, then the type of turbine will be ki hobo amar Kaplan turbine. Okay. So next question. So to produce a high head by multi-stage centrifugal pump, the impellers are connected in. Okay. Multi-stage centrifugal pump माने की multi-stage centrifugal pump और की रहे 2 or more impellers. Impellers की है, impellers are the rotating units of a centrifugal pump. ठीक है सर. Theta 2 or more impellers will be used, then we will call the pump to be multi-stage centrifugal pump. ठीक है सर. Now multi-stage centrifugal pump हमें कितना use करो? There are two functions of multi-stage centrifugal pump. First is to increase the head, and the second is to increase the discharge. ठीक है सर. जिते आमाक head increase करिब लागिब तिते आमी की करिम impeller बुर we will connect them in series when we have to increase the head, and when we have to increase the discharge we will connect the impellers in parallel. Okay. So remember this. For this question ki hori se to produce high head mane to increase the head kihot connect karim, we will connect them in series. Okay. So B should be the correct answer. Next question is kinematic viscosity equals to. We know kinematic viscosity is denoted by nu, which is the ratio of dynamic viscosity to the density of the fluid, and unit की है kinematic viscosity Stokes unit की होता है CGS हो. ठीक है सर. CGS माने centimeter square per second. ठीक है सर. 1 Stokes SI लिखी वो बोले की हो जाओ. Convert this to meter, that is 10 to the power -4 meter square per second. So कितने बार unit हो डी वो पड़े. So swag here dynamic viscosity to the density. So A is the correct answer. Dynamic viscosity divided by its density. Okay. Aro dynamic viscosity unit की है poise की होता है CGS हो. ठीक है सर. aro jodi 1 poise kiman hobo SI unit 1/10 Newton second meter inverse square. This will be in SI. ঠিক আছে, এটু কিটাবা সুধি দিব পাৰে. So next question, the pressure rise due to water hammer depends on. Water hammer কিতিয়া হ'ব? Suppose আমাৰ এটা we have a long pipe, okay, through which liquid is flowing with the velocity, say v velocity re liquid flow kori ase efalore. ঠিক আছে, and we also have a valve here. ঠিক আছে, initially valve to open ase, so liquid is flowing easily. Suppose if we close this valve now, suddenly what will happen? The momentum of this fluid, moving fluid, will be completely destroyed because valve close korle ki hobo, it will not be allowed to flow. So since the momentum of the fluid is completely destroyed, a pressure wave is generated. Now this pressure wave generated will have a hammering action, on the walls of the pipe, and this hammering action is known as water hammer. ठीक है सर. Now water hammering or the pressure rise due to closure will depend upon 4 factors. One is the velocity of the fluid to kiman velocity re flow kori ase, that means v in our case. Next is the length of the pipe, this length of the pipe, whatever will be the length of the pipe, jiman beshi hobo himane himane water hammer beshi hobo. 3 is the speed at which the gate is closed. ঠিক আছে, এই গেট ভ্যালভটো আমি কিমান জলদি বন্ধ কৰিম, that will also be a factor. And finally the 4th point will be the elasticity of the pipe material. ঠিক আছে, so these are the 4 factors on which the pressure rise due to water hammer will depend. So our option ki ase, the velocity of the pipe, this is correct, the length of the pipe, this is also correct, the elasticity of the pipe material, this is also correct. So the correct option will be all of the above. Okay, next question is, the maximum constant velocity of a falling body with which the body will be traveling is defined as. So this velocity, the maximum velocity attained by a body, suppose we are allowing this solid body to free fall in a liquid medium. This is a liquid medium. ঠিক আছে, body to আমি free fall allow কৰিছো. What will happen? Initially its velocity will, this will be the weight, initially its velocity will go on increasing. ঠিক আছে, velocity increase হৈছে থাকিব because of the acceleration due to gravity, ঠিক আছে, which is acting downwards. Because of that the velocity of this body will keep on increasing, right? And since it is in a liquid medium, the drag forces will be acting on the body. Drag force act koribo, drag force bur kuntu direction act koribo, opposite FD, and buoyant force kuntu direction act koribo, FB. Now at a situation ahibo jot this drag force plus this buoyant force will be equals to what? The weight of the body. ঠিক আছে, তেতিয়া কি hobo? The net force acting on the body will be equals to what? 0. Since net force acting on the body becomes 0, the body will be traveling with a constant velocity, which will be the maximum velocity. ঠিক আছে, that maximum velocity is nothing but the terminal velocity. I hope you have understood. Terminal velocity will be the maximum velocity with which the body will be traveling, and terminal velocity condition ki hobo? The upward forces or the drag forces and buoyant forces will be equal to the weight of the body. So net force on this body will be what? 0. Okay, so our answer will be terminal velocity. Next question, the pressure drag over a body is large as compared to friction drag, then the shape of the body is, we know drag force F of D is the summation of pressure drag and friction drag. ঠিক আছে, now there are 2 types of body. One is the streamlined body. streamline body mane ki by the name itself we can say that, say this is our body, thik ase, these are the streamlines, the body will be parallel to the streamline, so streamlines will move past this body very easily. So wake formation ki hobo, there will be very less wake formation, thik ase. So because of that the pressure drag is very less. In case of a streamline body, pressure drag is very less. But another type of body is the bluff body. In bluff body, the body is not aligned to the streamlines. This is our bluff body and this is the streamline. Okay, now what will happen, the wake formation will start at the very beginning itself, and because of wake formation, pressure drag will be very high. The pressure drag is very high in case of bluff body. So amak khudise ki when pressure drag over a body is large as compared to friction drag, kuntu body karne hobo, bluff body karne hobo. So the answer will be B. Okay, so let's see the next question. Next question to Swati ase, the flow in an open channel is said to be critical if Froude's number is. Now Froude number ki asile? Froude number was the ratio of inertia forces to the gravity forces. Ratio to hudi dibo pare, eta very important. And Froude's number jodi equal to 1 hoy, ite ami ki janu that the flow is critical flow. If Froude's number is less than 1, we know it is subcritical flow. And if the Froude's number is greater than 1, it will be supercritical flow. ठीक है सर. So हमारा आंसर की होगा, Froude number is की कोसे if said to be critical, so it will be equal to 1. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel and press the notification button for further video updates. In the next video we will be uploading some more important MCQ questions. So keep watching and thank you.